Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this Levain cookie from Levain Bakery in New York. Saw it on Joshua Wiseman's channel a week or two ago, and I was like, this is insane. It's like a thick cookie. So also with this cookie episode, I'm going to be launching this like cookie series. This series was inspired by another YouTuber, Pro Home Cooks, who did a series on sandwiches, so like the best sandwiches from around the world. And I thought that was like, it was really cool to see, so I want to try and do that with cookies and see what else I can find out and learn. So I'm going to be looking at like the best cookies from around the world. So like obviously the Levain cookie will be the first episode, so tune in each week to see what the next cookie I'll be making is. I'll be dropping some hints down on Instagram too, and maybe Facebook. So, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Let's go. So to get started, you need to mix 280 grams of brown sugar and 115 grams of caster sugar in a large bowl. Then add 280 grams of cooled melted butter. Using a whisk or on a stand mixer, mix on high speed until nice and smooth. Alternating between the whole egg and the egg yolk, slowly add to the butter and sugar mixture until well combined. Then in another bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. So this is 500 grams of plain flour, 6 grams of baking soda and 8 grams of corn flour, and make sure they are thoroughly combined. Gently fold in the dry ingredients until combined. In the meantime, weigh out 450 grams of dark chocolate. I use Cadbury's dark milk, which is a good combination of both, but you can also use just milk chocolate. This is totally optional, but you can also add 150 grams of chopped mixed nuts. So I use the combination of peanuts, almonds and walnuts. Be sure to fold it in using like a spatula in your hand. Do not put it on high speed on your mixer, because as you can see, nearly broke my machine. Then you're going to let the dough chill for at least 40 minutes to an hour. Then weigh out each cookie to be at least 6 ounces, which is roughly 180 grams, and place on a baking sheet. Cover and place in the fridge for another half an hour to 45 minutes before baking. Place 4 on a tray and place in a 220 degrees oven or gas mark 7 for 10 to 13 minutes. So as you can see, once I took the cookies out the oven, they're flat. They're not like the Levain cookies, they're like the thick, tall cookies that I promised. Looking back on it, I spoke to my friend who's a baker, and she recommended that they need to chill overnight for a lot longer. I only did 40 minutes and then an extra 25 once shaped, but she recommended at least a day. So what I ended up doing was I let them chill for about 2 days, 2.5 days ish. Mainly because I wanted to chill them overnight, but then I kind of got busy with some other stuff. So after these 2 days, I took them out and I baked them 2 per tray, because I have kind of quite small trays. So I did 2 per tray, and oh my god, as soon as that timer went off, I was so happy because they were nice and golden brown, they were nice and tall, they didn't like merge into each other and like melt or whatever the other last cookies did, and oh, they tasted amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. The recipe will be linked down below. You can follow me on my social media, my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page is linked down below. Be sure to head over to my website to check out any other recipes, and I'll be continuing this series, so stay tuned for more. Oh wait, I'm recording. For an exclusive innit?